Hey, this is Kashif and Veer. We have a team, a code day. We are started working on the theme future of digital payments, where we had made some kind of application which can work on integrity. Integrating between the stuff like a iris scan. You can do iris scan in it so that you can able to identify who is doing some kind of a payment. It's like a biometric thing. People are using thumb scan or some kind of a stuff. I forgot about it. Fingerprint, yeah. So we replace that stuff with the iris scan. Your iris will be scanned just like Samsung is giving. I think this kind of a sensor from a long time. I hope every device will get this kind of feature. So next thing is that the CBDC. I'm sorry. So yeah, CBDC is a blockchain technology we have made, and we had integrated that stuff in it because every bank is using that. Every bank is integrated with all other banks. It's work like that, and it also have their own AI powered fraud detection model where you can able to get to know what kind of suspicious activity can be happen before they occurs. So it works like that. Let's move on and works on the solution. What kind of a solution we had made? So it's basically like a face detection model, but it also integrate with the iris scan. Your iris is not matched, you will get the details who had tried to use your application or trying to do a payment from your application. And we also have a AI intelligence who can able to identify is it a suspicious activity. Suppose that you want to do a payment from a UPI, and someone tried to do some kind of a bad thing with it, so you will get the image of it. Your application will get the pic of it, and if application try to get the iris, they will also send you that data so that you can identify who had tried to do some kind of suspicious stuff. At last, it's a little bit of privacy concern, but yeah, that is some kind of a thing which is can be solved by the blockchain stuff. We will do it if we will get selected. So we will move on. Let me show you. We have a flowchart you can able to see in our PPT, but yeah, that's a little bit messed up because we just made as like a wireframe. So we can move on the prototype stuff. So if we will say yeah, prototype. So in a prototype we have full-fledged application. We made this to explain you how everything is gonna work because I know that was really big messy stuff. So yeah, here in a prototype you just have to sign up like ordinary person in ordinary applications, your national ID and other stuff verification. After all of that stuff, you have to scan your iris again. It's first time, sorry. You have to scan your face and iris. Then the Payris can able to identify who you are, and just like I'm scanning myself here, and yeah, you're good to go. So you're verified. You just have to allow the background users so that you can able to use this application as a Google Assistant as well. Just like you want to do a payment, so you said, "Hey, Paris, can you do a payment to Veer and send some free 300 rupees to him?" Then automatically it will do a payment. I will show you how it works. So let's go to the home page. Let's go to the Paris AI, and you suppose that you have said something to send a money, just like I said, Veer, I want to send the 300 rupees to Veer. So it will or maybe you can able to say the UPI ID, and it will move on to the payment stuff before yeah, just like that. Yeah, it's face scan and the iris scan. You have to do that first, then you will get the payment stuff. So yeah, it's completed almost, and you will get the payment success rate. You have to go on the home again, and maybe sometimes you have some kind of a panic bill, so they will also give you a notification about it. You just have to say yes if you want to do that payment, or you have to say no if you don't want to go forward. At last, it will also scan your iris again, and you are good to go. Bill has been paid. So what if your iris has not been scanned? I mean, your iris mismatched. Someone tried to do some kind of a suspicious activity, or maybe Payris has detected something. It will give you a warning. It will ask you again, is it authentic payment address, or maybe you want to go do a payment? Are you sure? If you said yes again and again, it will scan your iris and it will not match. Then the pic on the time which is showing on it, or maybe the iris or the face, will be goes to your email. You will get the notification on your email, as well as yeah, you have to enter your security code which you had made while signing up on our application to use this application again. Otherwise you can't able to use that stuff. That's it. You just have to go back at home and you're good to go. Again, you can use this application. We just made this to make a fast, highly secure, reliable application. It's same as that ordinary applications like AirTM and other stuff, but they didn't have this iris scan stuff and the CBDC stuff and some kind of integrity stuff. And whenever some kind of person is trying to do fraud, they have to scan your face. So maybe I think this can be improved in the future if we will work on it. So if you like this project, please contact us. It will be an honor for me to work in the Hack Tardy. Thank you from the Code Boulder team. Yeah, that's all by us.